Our next speaker, Eric Termuende, is a globally recognized keynote speaker that has been on literally hundreds of stages and worked with category-leading companies from all over the world. Please join me in welcoming Eric Termuende.
I think we should shift from checking on to checking in, where instead of top down, we're now like eye to eye, heart to heart, asking the most simple, the most basic, the most human-centric questions. Like, how are you? What did you learn this week? What can we improve on? What mistakes did you make? My favorite question, this one's for free. What are you most excited about? Such an easy question that allows us to get a little bit of a deeper understanding to figure out what people are interested in. So if we think the pace of change is fast right now, if we think economic uncertainty is high right now, this increase of information, of knowledge, of the chat functions that Sean was sharing just a couple hours ago, this will lead to a world of work that continually requires to reinvent itself. So I'm hoping, through our time together, I can answer one question. If the future is impossible to predict, which I think we can agree is true, and the talent shortage isn't going anywhere, how do we build teams that thrive in the future of work? What's that one creative idea, that one shift that allows us to think and do something a little bit different without rocking the boat too much, but knowing that we can't stand still either?